Hey everyone, and welcome back. This week's recipe review is a Skillet Cherry Cobbler from Southern Bite. It all comes together with just 4 ingredients in 10 minutes plus baking time. It's simple, fuss-free, and has a nice crunchy topping. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this cherry cobbler is one of the easiest desserts that you can make. The first time I made it, I wasn't happy with how it looked on top. I followed the directions and dropped the spoonfuls of batter without smoothing them out. After baking, there were big clumps of the topping that were a little tough and dense. So for this version that I filmed, I smoothed them out with a fork and we'll see how it tastes shortly. I baked it for 50 minutes and the topping was set and good to go. It also smelled wonderful from the cinnamon. Now it was time to give it a taste test. It was incredibly delicious. The texture of the topping was much better this time because of smoothing it out. The 50-minute bake time was just long enough for it to set up but not be dry. The real star of the show for me was the cinnamon. I think that is what makes this cobbler so good. It paired perfectly with the cherry pie filling. I love how the warmth of the cinnamon complements the sweet and slight tartness of the cherries. Next, it was time to kick things up a notch and add some vanilla ice cream while the cobbler was still warm. That was absolutely heavenly. The creaminess of the ice cream made an already excellent cobbler even better. Overall, this is a 20-star recipe. It's simple enough that anyone can make it with just a few ingredients. I also appreciate how versatile it is. You can use any flavor of pie filling that you like. My wife and I have made it with apple pie filling along with apple pie spice in place of the cinnamon. That, along with more vanilla ice cream, is one of our all-time favorite simple desserts to make. So if you're a fan of cherry cobbler, give this one a try and see for yourself how easy and delicious it really is. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my other reviews in my desserts playlist.